Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web. It's unboxing time again, and this is the second unboxing video for the 1.5 version of Mythic Battles Pantheon. Now this is another mini. This is Dionysus. Okay, so here we are with Dionysus, the god of wine. He's the Greek equivalent of Bacchus, the Roman god of wine. And it gives you a little bit of a background there. That's, in his younger days he was a what could be called as a very strikingly handsome young man. Just as he got older, the years of drinking and debauchery and whatever took its toll, and he gained a lot of weight and became a shadow of his former. Twice the man that he originally was, to be honest. If I remember my mythology correctly, which I probably won't, but here we are. So in this set, I'll just open them up here. We have 4 miniatures, 1 dashboard, 1 recruitment card, 10 activation cards, and 1 troop card. And there we are. Let's open up and have a look at what we have. Open sesame. Right. Is that it? No, we have something else in here. There we go. Right, here we are. Here's the there we are, that's what I'm looking for. The way in. Right, here's the character card for Donysus. Don't know whether you can read all that, but I'll bring it up a little bit more so you can hopefully read it. All you need to do is quite simply just pause the video and you can read what it says. And it's French on the other side, just like the others. So that's the card for Dionysus. I've moved the minis out of the way for the time being. We'll have a look at those later on. But we have cards to open first. Always save the minis till last. Now we have these little characters that hang around with them. The set is. Well, there's Dionysus in all his glory. Let me just lower the camera again. Okay, hopefully you can see this a lot better now. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those cards, and the Satyr children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards of those, and then we go into the French version. And we also have this card, which is one of those, and that's the English version, and we have the French version, which can again go to one side, and then we have the equivalent card for the Satyr children. So we have English on one side and French on the other. There we go. So we have those cards in the box. Now let's have a look at some miniatures, shall we? Put the cards back. Again, I'm not keeping the French versions, so they can go to one side. Unfortunately, I was going to actually offer them up for anybody who would like them, but unfortunately they got damaged in the move, the French ones, because they were out of boxes, so they've ended up having to get binned. But here we are. This is one of the Satyr children. These are absolutely stunning minis. Look at the level of detail that we have. There's one thing you can say for these Monolith games, they are incredibly well made minis. So we have 1, 2, and 3. And there we go. Oops. And next, the man we've been wanting to see. Here's Dionysus. There we go. I will put those away out of sight so you can't see them. I will just have a look at everything that's going on in this miniature, because there is, I'll just zoom in, there is a lot to take in here. We have, as you can see, grapes and leaves around his head. I assume that that must be a surplus to requirements. I will just give it a bit of a snip because I don't want that on. But just look at on the faces of these satyrs. Look at on the creases in folds in the flesh of Donysus. It is an absolute, it's a well made model, but it's a very disturbing image. Those poor satyr children having to carry this huge expanse of flesh. It's yeah, there we go. No one looks happy. Right, so that's the Dionysus miniature opened up. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's a short video, I know, but there's not much to open in these individual boxes. There is one more video to come, so stay tuned for that one. I will put the miniatures away, and while I'm doing that I will say my farewell. So until next time, as always, take care, God bless. Oops, wrong way. Take care, God bless, and bye for now.